Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards. This is a recipe demo of chickpea and broccoli curry. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This video is a revisit of an early video that needed a refresher. This comes together in less than 30 minutes, and that includes measuring out the spices and prepping. We start with blooming our garlic and spices. Heat a tablespoon of ghee or grapeseed oil over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Throw in 2 smashed garlic cloves and a heaping teaspoon of ground ginger or 2 inches of chopped fresh ginger, 3 heaping teaspoons of ground cumin, a teaspoon of turmeric, a heaping teaspoon of coriander, and half a teaspoon of cayenne. Mix the spices into the oil and make a slurry for just a minute to bring out the volatile oils and flavors in the spices. You should really smell them now. Pour in a can of coconut milk. This is the thick version. You can use the light version. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Spice it up with an optional half teaspoon or so of harissa paste, but definitely use 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to help thicken it up. Stir it all together and make sure the tomato paste gets incorporated into the milk. It's likely to want to try to stay clumped up. Add a can of chickpeas and keep that bean water for some aquafaba magic. And add your choice of vegetables. This is a block of frozen chopped broccoli. And as you'll see in the final result, it makes a very full curry. You can use larger chunks of vegetables or fewer of them. What I like about this is you can use whatever leftover vegetables you happen to have. We always have partial bags of frozen vegetables in the freezer, and whipping up this curry is a tasty way to just use them all up. You can do just the chickpeas or leave them out completely and just do a bunch of vegetables. Basically, once the frozen veggies are heated through, your curry is ready. I suppose you could keep simmering it for longer if you wanted to intensify the flavor, but you really don't have to. You may want to add more liquid to thin it out if you like soupier curries. I have about a 1/4 cup of water to wash out the inside of the coconut milk can, but you can add more flavor by using broths or a splash of fish sauce. Season it to taste with more salt and serve over your favorite grain. I'm using frozen rice left over from takeout that's being steamed on the stovetop as all this comes together. And it comes together all at the same time. Literally less than 30 minutes. I had to work to make this video longer than 30 seconds. Get the ingredient list below or at cookingcompaniontv.com/chickpea curry. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards. Thanks for watching.